Hello students, welcome to the class. It's our GK class and today we will learn about two new chapters, World Religion and Money. Chapter number 29 and chapter number 30. Okay, two chapters we will cover today because these are very short chapters and we have not done anything new. So today we will do these two chapters. So world religion, you know that in our world there are many religions there are many religions, right? In India only there are many religions. People live together happily and peacefully. So all the religions tell us to respect other religion, to love everyone and to live peacefully. This is the main motto of every religion. Now here in your book, page number 39, there are 10 questions given. Options are also given, that means clue box is also here. Now you have to write the answer in your book, not in copy but in your book. I am going to tell the answers, just listen carefully. The first question is, which religion was started by Prince Siddhartha about 2500 years ago? 2500 years ago, it was the which religion was started by Prince Siddhartha? So Prince Siddhartha started Buddhism. Okay, the Buddha religions, who worship the god Gautam Buddha, those are Buddhist. Okay, so Buddhism was started by Prince Siddhartha. Which is the oldest religion of the world? It is Hinduism is the oldest religion of the world. Which religion was founded on the teachings of Jesus Christ about 2000 years ago? So Jesus Christ, we know that it is Christianity. It is not Christianism, okay, it is Christianity. Which is the youngest religion of the world? It is Sikhism. It is Sikhism. The youngest religion is Sikhism. Next, which religion was founded in Arab about 1400 years ago? It is Islam. Islam is found around 1400 years ago in Arab. Which religion is believed to be started by Moses about 2000 years ago? 2000 years ago. So by Moses it is started Judaism. Judaism was started by Moses. It is believed that started by Moses. What are the followers of ancient Parsi religion Zoroastrianism called? So they are called known as Parsis. Okay, Zoroastrianism religious people are known as Parsian. So followers of which religion worship the fire? It is Zoroaster. Zoroaster people worship the fire. And which are the three gods from the trinity of Hindu mythology? These are Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. All the options are given in your clue box. Which Hindu god is said to hold the river Ganga in the hair? In the hair, it is Lord Shiva. Okay, Lord Shiva is known as the god who holds the Ganga in his hair. So this page you will complete in your copy, and next the page is money. Okay, page chapter number 30, it is money. So here you have to do A, B, C and D, 4 options together. This page you will write in copy. Okay, this page chapter number 30, you will write in your copy, GK copy. Chapter number 29 you will do in book. Chapter number 30 you will write in copy. So what you have to do, you have to match the money with the currency name with the country name, and here you have to match the languages spoken with the country. Okay. So first is yuan. Yuan is the currency of China. China's currency is yuan. What is Indian currency? It is rupee. Ruble is the currency of Russia. Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. Yen is the currency of Japan. Rial is the currency of Saudi Arab. It is Saudi Arabia people yen, rial. And rand is the currency of South Africa. So these 5 I already completed. Now here the answer is the currency used in these countries are same. So it's write the name. Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, all these 3 countries, the name of the currency is same, it is rupee, and our India also it is rupee. USA, Australia and Hong Kong, this currency name is dollar, and Jordan, Bahrain and Iraq, their currency name is dinar. It is also completed. Which currency has been adopted by many European countries as their common currency? Many European countries use euro, EUR, euro as a common currency. And now you will do this one by your own. Chapter number D, you will do this one by your own. All this answer I will not tell. So you have to do something. Thank you for watching. So do chapter number 30 in your copy. Thank you.